Here's a quick rant on the Arlo Ultra that I picked up yesterday for Boxing Day sale. I thought I was getting a good deal, but I thought I did enough research on the product, which apparently I did not. I was under the impression that it had 7-day free cloud storage, which it does not. It comes with the 1-year plan of Arlo Smart, which I feel is just a way to hook you in for the year, and then after a year you'll just want to pay to get all the features. But I'm seriously considering downgrading to the Arlo Pro 2. The Arlo Pro 2 at least does include the 7-day free cloud storage. I really wanted to like the Arlo Ultra. I went with the upgrade simply because it has the higher resolution cameras, and I do like the image quality. But the biggest drawback is after your 1 year you have no cloud storage. You only have local storage, which you can view. They did update it in the last few days where you can view the footage from the app, but to get it to show remotely you have to do port forwarding on your router. You can easily view it if you're on the same network at home, but to me that kind of defeats the purpose of the whole system. This was about $1,200 here in Canada. The Arlo Pro 2 is about half the price, and I feel with the 7-day free cloud storage it's more than sufficient for what I need. These are also not compatible with SmartThings. I was reading that Arlo is looking to get into their own smart hub type of products in the future. I thought Arlo was the one to go with, but I've been disappointed over the last 24 hours after setting it up and learning more, because I know you're going to say, hey, I should have done my research, but I did do my research, and a lot of websites, comparison articles were saying that this does have the 7-day of cloud storage included, which is the biggest drawback. It just defeats the purpose of having a security system you're paying a hefty premium for. And this goes the same for the Pro 3. It does not integrate with SmartThings. So really the only option if you do go with Arlo is the Pro 2, since it does integrate with SmartThings. In regards to the option of viewing your locally recorded footage through the app, Arlo did put out a update earlier in the year how they're not going to be charging a monthly fee, which I also feel is ridiculous the way they phrase that. It's like they're doing a favor to all the customers that bought the Ultra system, and hey, you're not going to be paying extra to view your footage on the system that you own. Oh, I don't know. It's frustrating. It's frustrating finding a decent system that you know will be supported in the future, and that's part of the reason I went with a known brand like this, because one of the problems I have with EasyViz is they seem to be putting out new products every few months and discontinuing their old products, so you can't even build out the systems you have. Another minor issue is what it comes with. It comes with one charging cable for 4 cameras in this pack, and the mounts it comes with 2 screw mounts and 2 magnetic mounts. For the price you're paying, I don't understand why they didn't include all magnetic mounts, and a lot of the features will not be available unless you subscribe. So again, I feel they're hooking you in for the 1 year, and after the 1 year you're going to be paying probably about 200 Canadian minimum to keep a lot of the features going. Again, just local storage. You will not have any cloud storage capabilities unless you pay a monthly fee. So that's my rant. I believe this will be going back to Best Buy probably today, and I'll be looking at something else. I do have another system, EasyViz, that I've had for a few years. I just thought I was upgrading. I'm happy with that. I only have 2 cameras of that one. I wanted to add more, and back to the drawing board. Thanks for watching.